Today I will tell you how important parents' role is in the life of children, particularly that of the mother. She carries the child in her womb and bring him up with all kind of struggles. If the family happens to be a poor family, then she bears all the troubles. She does not eat, she gives to the growing child and also to the man. Our society is like this. Even if the woman is earning, she sacrifices all for the family. And in return, when she grows old, the children are heard saying, if the mother will not do the work, she will lose her body, the strength of the body. Can you imagine and beat the stupidity and meanness of the children? That is an old mother who needs rest. She must keep movements. She must make her own food. There is nobody who can cook her food and give her on the cot. Even if she is ill, severely ill. While in her heydays, she would cook food for all the family members and also the outsiders. Even if she remains ill due to any reason. What is this psychology with which we are dealing with regarding woman and the mother? Why should she not be given food and clothes and entertainment? And the friends to enjoy with? Why is she made to think that she is the best when she doesn't do all this? The whole world is enjoying as the mother, except the worthy mothers. It's very pathetic. The children who now earn a lot, they wear the best. But when it will come to buying for the mother, they will buy the cheapest. The same bond and this is the given back. We need to think on these issues. Women are doing a lot. The worthy woman. Nasty women are nasty, but the rest of the people are in fact mean and nasty. They take the worthy woman in all relationships for a ride, and she lets herself do so. I have several examples, particularly one who has done so much for the family, despite being working and despite being beautiful, intelligent, and despite being the fact that she could have gone out with men and women and friends and enjoyed life. A car owner herself, beautiful mind herself, academic mind herself. But she made all sacrifices to run the family so that the good values are imbibed by the children. But it is not necessary that this happens. Anyway, one must try on this. One must try that good practices remain. They are inculcated and are promoted